to start off with the power of words and then transition into my story. Okay? And I'm Chanel. I'm originally from North Carolina. And I am the founder and CEO of Inspirational Self-Sufficiency Training Center. The power of your words. Our words create and stimulate creativity. Our words water environments and the people around us. Our words can build, but they also can tear down. Our words plant seeds of hope, or they can destroy hope, self-esteem, and relationships. They can manipulate, they can cause harm as well as vengeance. Believe it or not, our selection of words is a decision that we make every day. How are you using your words? Have any of you seen the movie The Five Heartbeats? By a show of hands? I think a perfect example of this is when Eddie Kane Jr. Came home after being excited from his performance at the club, and he was so excited, and then his father came to him and said, "You ain't, out of respect for others, sugar, honey, iced tea, because I ain't sugar, honey, iced tea." And then his mother said to him, "Why do you talk like that? You act like you don't even care about your son." But he replied and said, "I care for the boy. I just want him to be a better man than I am." So, going forward in that, Eddie Kane Jr. made several bad decisions. And his friend, Duck, said, "Man, you're just like your father." Now, I can hear Eddie Kane Jr. saying, because I'm a backpack, Eddie Kane Jr., he got so mad, and he started to fight his friend. And I hear him saying, "I've had my ups, my downs, my triumphs, and I have been trying to be a better man all my life." Now, thinking about that story, what have you been told as a child that you're still struggling with today?